From its humble beginnings on February 1st, 1940 as the keel was laid at the Norfolk Navy Yard in Portsmouth, Virginia, battleship USS Alabama, BB-60, has had a remarkable career. She began her World War II adventures in the North Atlantic in 1943, then later that year went to the South Pacific Seas. She ended up in Mobile, Alabama as a National Historic Landmark and memorial to millions. Home to a crew of 2,500 courageous Americans, this 45,000-ton war machine's World War II adventure culminated with BB-60 leading the American fleet into Tokyo Bay on September 5, 1945. 9 battle stars for meritorious service were awarded the mighty during her brief 3-year tenure as the heroine of the Pacific. Most American warships end their useful life after wartime, but Alabama was destined to live another day. In May 1962, the federal government announced that BB-60 and others would be scrapped, but a forward-looking group of Mobilians and other Alabamians saw a bright future in the aging warship. They envisioned the Alabama as the anchor attraction of a Veterans Memorial Park to be located in Mobile. That impossible dream came true on January 9, 1965, when USS Alabama Battleship Memorial Park opened to the public. More than 17 million visitors later, and a statewide economic impact approaching $1 billion, the park is easily the most recognizable symbol of the state of Alabama. Dedicated to all Alabama citizens who have worn the uniform of all branches of the United States Armed Forces, the park's numerous artifacts, exhibits, and displays all point to the fact that the park is America's most unique military attraction. Come see for yourself.